So today we are going to take the train from Fuengirola to Malaga, to have a look at the Christmas preparations on Marques de Larios. If you are planning a visit, interested or enjoy watching these videos on the Costa del Sol, then please like, hit the bell, and subscribe to our channel for regular updates. Have a look at our website for more information on all the resorts, towns and villages, all with Google Maps to direct you from your current location. Marques de Larios is in the center of Malaga. The best way to get there is on the Fuengirola-Malaga train line if possible, getting off at the final stop, Malaga Central. If you are driving, there is parking on the promenade and port. Have a look at our website for parking options with directions. It's early November and preparations are well underway for the best and biggest Christmas light show on the Costa del Sol. This year, 2021, the switch-on date is the 26th of November. The lights will then light up every night until the 6th of January 2022. If you enjoy these short videos on what to see on Spain's Costa del Sol, then please like, subscribe and hit the bell for more videos. New content is released on a regular basis. Christmas is a great time to visit the Costa del Sol. Every town has a lot going on, and the temperature is still warm enough for t-shirts and shorts. If you do travel by train, then make sure you check the timetable. 2 trains use the first 4 stops in Malaga: the C1 to Fuengirola and the C2 to Alora. The Costa del Sol is an excellent holiday location with great beaches and loads of attractions. But also there are over 3,000 fairs and festivals in the area every year. Some of these festivals are spectacular and a great way to enhance your holiday. Have a look at our website for more details and dates. If you have any questions on the Costa del Sol, then ask away in the comments below. I will get back to you. The Costa del Sol is an amazing part of the world, with amazing attractions, amazing history, amazing food, not forgetting the amazing sun, sea, and sand. To watch more videos, please subscribe. And thanks for watching.